This video is designed to give you an overview of the ResQmat and is not intended to be a substitute for actual training with the product. The video needs to be assessed in line with the manual handling and cross-infection policies in place within your organisation. Please bear in mind that although the video has been filmed within an NHS hospital, the equipment has been designed for use in various types of buildings where the available space is quite often very limited. Any manual handling techniques used within the video are merely suggested methods to move non-ambulant persons in an emergency. It is accepted that there may be other more appropriate alternatives on some occasions and within slightly different environments to those portrayed. The ResQmat has been safety tested to a maximum weight of 160 kilograms, although the maximum load to be pulled downstairs should be advised by your manual handling advisors. It is advised that a minimum of 2 people handle the ResQmat. As a general rule, the maximum weight being pulled should not be more than that of the combined handlers. Each user will have his or her own handling plan, and this should be considered before transferring anyone using this equipment. In an emergency, the ResQmat can be removed from its storage bag and carried to the area where evacuation is required. If possible, open any doors in readiness for the escape. If time allows, always work with the bed at a comfortable height. To prepare the user for evacuation, remove their pillows and the top covers and place to one side ready for later use. Wrap them in the bottom bed sheet. This will help to keep the user secure during the transfer onto the ResQmat and adds a layer of warmth during the evacuation process. Carefully roll them onto their side, ensuring they are fully supported. Open up the ResQmat and place it alongside the user, ensuring that the built-in pillow is at the head end. Position it as close to their back and legs as possible. Gently roll them back onto the ResQmat and reposition them so they are laying centrally and comfortable. Firmly wrap the sides of the ResQmat over the patient and secure with the Velcro straps. Make sure the red shortening strap is clear of the user's feet and that their feet are positioned inside the V section of the strap. Pull the red strap through the buckle on the chest and fasten for a tight but comfortable fit. To prevent tripping, ensure the loose end is secured. By shortening the ResQmat, you are helping to secure the user and prevent them sliding down the mat if evacuation downstairs is required. Various methods of taking the user off the bed can be used. Please consult your moving and handling department to ascertain the correct method of transfer for your own specific environment. If the type of bed and space allows, the bed can be repositioned and tilted towards the foot end. Remove the footplate and position the bed so that the foot end is facing the exit route. With one handler at each end, the user is then pulled off the foot end of the bed. Ensure to protect their head throughout. With a person at each end of the ResQmat, take hold of the end straps and move the user into a position where they are lying at approximately 90 degrees across the bed, ready to be taken off. The person at the head end keeps the straps short and starts to move backwards, allowing the ResQmat to touch the floor. The foot end operator allows the straps to move through their hands, controlling the descent of the ResQmat onto the floor. Once the ResQmat is on the floor, both operators should pull it from the same end. If doors are to be negotiated, the ResQmat should be pulled from the head end to avoid doors closing on the user's head. However, it is vital that they approach the stairs feet first. If using the ResQmat for a wheelchair user, it is advised to move the user and ResQmat as close as possible to the stairs where space will allow for the transfer. Open up the ResQmat and position it side on at the user's feet. Ensure that the user's brakes are on and the foot plates and wheels are clear of the mat. With one handler kneeling on the ResQmat, encourage the user to shuffle forwards in the chair and place their feet towards the foot end of the mat. Guide the user out of the chair and onto the mat before laying them in position. secure the cover and cross straps. Proceed to navigate the staircase. With one person at each end of the rescue mat, the patient can be securely moved down the stairs. It is very important that the person at the foot end keeps the pulling strap short until the upper part of the body has come over the top step. This helps to prevent excessive bending of the patient's hip and pelvic area. Both operators work together to control the speed of the descent. The operator at the head end should keep the pulling strap long and assist by slightly raising the handle as the body moves over the top step. When reaching the half landing, it is important to steer a wide course so you do not encounter problems with the central pillar of the staircase. If needed, the cross straps can be used to position the rescue mat. If the stairs are wide enough, at this point the foot end operator can hold the long strap in one hand, turn to face the direction of the stairs, and let the mat follow by their side. Once the patient has exited the building and reached a point of safety, the cross straps can be loosened to ensure the user is comfortable. Where a mat has been used for training purposes, the base can be restored by the application of a spray polish and buffed with a duster cloth. The blue cotton can also be removed and laundered if soiled. The base can also be cleaned using antibacterial wipes.